Vibha Patel. I read in class 8. Today we all know that in this mortal world, everyone give us opinion, we take opinion, we give opinion, means like exchange offer. Like we go to the God and we give opinion, we put our feeling to them that if you do it now for me, then I will give you 100 rupees. Means we are doing exchange offer or we are giving opinion. If someone is giving opinion, take it because it will helpful for you in your future. But don't give opinion because what I am, I know. You don't need to understand me and I don't want that you understand me because what I am. Don't suppose to me that I will be like you. You have quality, okay, you have. But what I have, don't underestimate me because everyone have single talent. If you suppose that I have no talent, but there is a talent. If nobody is studying and he is playing, only and playing. See, Sania Mirza, Sania Nehwal, what a player. Think about them. If he is not studying, he is playing, okay? Then he is good in playing. If you are going to participate in game and he is a player, he don't need how to study, but he is a player, then he will play better than you. So I think opinion taking is good, but giving is not good because we are underestimating someone. We should not dominate any other people because everyone have talent and not only in person, in also God. Everyone see the film of Oh My God. See it. Take the advantage of it. Everyone go to God and give. God, if you help me in paper, I will give you 100 rupees. And after giving paper, they forget it. What they do? God, what do they from rupee? They only want that you always go up high level. Not you, not your family, whole country, because country is your first mother before your mother. Mother give you birth, but your country, your constitution, your all rule and regulation help you to stand before anyone. So you should try that, not only family go at upward. All countries should have to right to stand in front of another country. Not in study, you can go any feature like playing, debate, any feature. Nobody asks you. See, Ambani the richest person. Why he is at high level? Why he is at richest person? Why? Because you know he has no satisfaction in study. Satisfaction. We all do satisfaction. We all know that everyone say us that do satisfaction because satisfaction is a good thing. But tell me, if Ambani will be satisfied in only 1,000 rupees, then how can he will be at this top level? Tell me, in life only it is not important to give opinion. We should not satisfy, we should take opinion. If someone is giving us bad opinion about us, then take it, because who give you bad opinion for you na? He is the best care of you because he told your worst thing in your life and you should try to keep away from you. You should try to remove it from your life, because if you are removing a single bad thing na, then you are going to be a good person than her or him. So I think if you are taking opinion, then good, best, better, whatever you say, it is good, better. But if you are giving na, then you are dominating someone. He think that yeah, she is correct and she go to on my way. He leave her way of to getting aim, because everyone has another way to achieve his aim. Like many people don't have means money, but they now at that level. See Ambani parents. What are they? Nothing. They start from 1,000 to 100. But now see them. We have not any cost to sit after him. Why? Because he take opinion but don't give opinion. He take advantage by the bad thing. So I only at last I only say that always take opinion but don't give. Thank you.